All right, this is Larry with ManCave Mayhem. Today we got something exciting going on. What are we doing, Andrew?
We're fixing a free John Deere tractor.
Free $100.
Free $100.
Yes, it was free. We got it from the neighbor across the street, right over there. He says, "Hey Larry, I don't want this tractor." And I said, "I guess I'll take it. It's not like I don't have a bunch of vehicles in the garage here that are taking up space. I mean, I got a frickin' bunch of motors that I got to deal with." So I call my wonderful son-in-law, Andrew. What do I say to you?
You say, "Hey, I got you a tractor."
Yeah. So last night, I should have videotaped it, but last night we're working on this beater, right? And I always say, motors want to run. And this thing, we got her working. We pulled the hood off. We got kind of a jack on it right now. It had two front flat tires that were just toast. And these are tubeless tires. They don't really have a bearing or anything. They just run on an old kingpin setup with an axle. You just grease the thing to death, and you know, because they go all of about 3 miles an hour. So anyhow, long story short, what are we doing, Andrew?
Well, first we're gonna put the tires on.
We're gonna put the tires on. We had a couple issues. They have this like safety switch that probably went under one of these pedals that we need to figure out where that goes. But she fired up last night. Look and see. All right, I'm back. Now we're gonna put these tires on, and then we're gonna get back with you, and we'll show you what we're doing next. But this is cool. Motors want to run. That's what I always say. What do you always say, Andrew? I want food?
Yes. I want food.
That's what he always says. All right. We got the tires on now. So basically right now what we've got wrapped up in this thing is we had to buy a battery for it, which was like 40 bucks sitting back there. And that's all we really had to do. Battery and these tires were about 60s. So we got 100 bucks wrapped up into this tractor and everything works on it. The mow deck is kind of seized up a little bit. So we're gonna go through that. We're gonna drop the mow deck on it and we're gonna kind of check it out. We also, what are we gonna do? We're gonna do a little white trash addition to this, aren't we?
Yep.
Explain to me what we're gonna do, Andrew.
We're gonna put some top of the line off-road lights as headlights.
Yeah, the headlights don't work on this thing, so we're gonna off-road headlight this thing. It should be cool. 12 bucks they cost us on Amazon, right?
Yep.
So that's what we're doing next. We'll keep you informed. We're gonna keep you posted. Stay tuned. So, you know what this is? This is what represents the amount of hair under Andrew's armpits. No, actually this is nylon rope that we pulled out of the mow deck. So it was all wrapped up in the blades. When we kicked in the mower last night, it wouldn't start. So, and also it looks like they might have hit a couple things with these blades. I think they're shot. Not looking real good.
They're shot.
So we're gonna have to purchase some new blades. But other than that, this thing's ready to rock. Now we're gonna do the white trash headlight assembly. We'll keep you in the loop on that. Andrew's been kind of jonesing to take a little ride, so we got our custom key right here. And the safety switch has to be held on. Go ahead, mijo. Fire it up. You probably have to put the choke on. Andrew was jonesing to drive this thing. He's a little scared. It's super fast. What do you got there, Andrew?
Top
we got
of
our
the line
high-end, super bright, $12
headlight.
We're gonna replace those headlights that are existing with the custom LEDs. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and mount these brackets on each side of this, so we'll have lights popping off the side here like that. It's gonna be custom headlights for this L130 automatic. This thing's gonna be a racing machine. You know, what can you say? You got a 24 horse Kohler motor, 23 horse. Thing's a racer, right, Andrew? Twin cylinder, air cooled, ready to rock and roll. Andrew's gonna take his time and drill some holes. We're gonna mount those brackets and wire these lights. We're just kind of adjusting these lights right now. This is kind of what it's gonna look like. There we go. What do you think, Andrew?
I'm happy.
He's not happy. You know why? Because he's doing all the work right now. And I kind of like that because usually it's me doing all the work. I just have him. He's like a mule. I have him as a mule kind of, and I load him up with large, heavy items while I walk with small items so I don't injure myself because I'm very elderly. He's young, so when he gets old, he'll have a lousy back, bad knees, and everything else like me. But until then, in order for him to show that he can be that way, I have to make him work. Look at this. We have headlights. We equipped it with a racing switch. And here we go. Custom headlights for nighttime driving. What do you think, Andrew?
This is awesome.
Custom.
Custom.
What are we?
Just men in a cave.
He's an idiot. We're just men in a cave.
Causing mayhem.
What did you say?
A woman in a cave causing mayhem.
She's cray-cray. That's our free lawn tractor. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and just remember, I'm just a man in a cave causing mayhem.